Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I have a teeny tiny, I have a moderate sized H&M haul that I wanted to share with you of stuff that I've been picking up to add to my end of spring, beginning of summer wardrobe. So I did a recent Zara one and I featured a couple of H&M pieces, and H&M just always crushes it with their spring summer fashion. I like their stuff way better than in the spring summer than I do in the fall winter. So I picked up a couple things and I wanted to share with you. I will link them down below if I can. H&M sells out insanely fast. We all know that. So grab them if you want. I actually wanted to wait for a sale, but there were only select things on sale when I bought this, so I had to pay full price for a lot of this crap, but it's still so good and still worth it. So first is this little floppy hat. If you guys saw, I purchased in my last video these like more structured hats, but when we were at Flora Farms, I saw this girl with this like super cute, like bendable-y sort of, collapsible sort of hat, and I loved it. That's cute for like a more structured look, but this is cute for more like a floppy sort of look. You can bend this in so many different ways. There's like, I don't know, metal in here, but it can kind of like wiring, kind of bend all different ways. I love this. It's very casual, very like, I don't know, chill looking. I got mine in a small. It is snug, but the medium is like really big on me in the other one anyway. So this is super cute. A really nice little floppy hat. I think they released it in a lighter color as well after I bought mine, but love this. Let's continue on with accessories. I got this little scarf. I'm not gonna lie, I need y'all's opinion because when I asked Scott, I gave him two options. I said, is this cool? Is this giving cool girl, or is this giving, would you like Sprite, Dr. Pepper, pretzels, or cookies? Like American Airlines vibes, but I kind of love it. You guys know I love scarves. This is actually so insanely silky. What is this made out of? Just polyester. It feels like silk. It feels so nice. I loved the design on this. You can wear this in your hair, you can wear it around your neck, you can wear it on a bag. Scarves like this add so much interest very easily, very simple. You tie it on a belt loop, you can put it in a pocket. I don't know, it's just a fun little accessory, and I loved the pop of red. I have nothing like this. I have a lot of florally sort of ones, but let me know. Is this giving pretzels and cookies slash would you like to give me your card and I will give you a mimosa? Like, I don't know. What is it doing? I think it's cool. I think with like a white linen button up that I showed with some denim shorts, very cute, but I'm keeping it. I just need to know if I need to wear it around my neck or not. Next are these shoes. These are such a fun find. These are like a woven, but they're plasticky. Very much like my, very much giving like this woven tote that I have, very much the same kind of things. It's like see-through here, but then on the toe it's like knots. These are great. These are a little like sling back, and I wish they had these in brown because I would get them. These are a really nice option if you don't want to wear sandals. You want something a little dressier. I love the point toe. I love how easy and comfortable these are. So yes, I think I sized up in these and they are slightly big, but you can adjust this back part. I love these with shorts, with pants, with jeans. I think these are so cute and such a classier way to have like a summer jelly-ish kind of sandal, like a see-through sandal. I don't know, I'm a fan, and I like those a lot because I like my flats, but let's be real, my feet sweat in them in the summer, so those I thought would be cute. The next thing I have to show you is my favorite thing I found in a very, very, very long time. It's these denim shorts. If they look wrinkly, it's because I wore them yesterday when we went to the park for Mother's Day. I got them out of the package that was delivered that day and instantly put them on and wore them. I'm obsessed with these denim shorts, like so obsessed. They're the most comfortable denim shorts I've ever gotten. I feel like if you are like me, like you just follow your size with denim shorts, don't do that anymore. Just go with feelings, okay? I got a size US 6 in them. To be like transparent, I'm a 26, 27 waist. So yeah, this is a 6 and these fit perfectly loose, but still flattering. I love them so much. They do have a cuff here. The cuff is sewn in, which I kind of wish. I'm looking for a pair that aren't, that just reminded me, I'm looking for a man in finance, trust fund, 6'5", blue eyes. I'm looking for a pair that's not this way. And if I can't find, I tried a pair from Madewell, you guys. First of all, the legs are 2 different lengths and these are giving way better. So if anything, if I can't find, I did just order a pair from Abercrombie, so we're gonna see. If I can't, I'll buy another pair and just take the stitch out because there's just a stitch in the back and on the side, and the crotch probably too, but the stitches could be removed. But these are perfection. My favorite denim shorts literally ever. They're so comfortable, so flattering, so cute. They look great with sandals, they look great with sneakers. I wore them with sneakers and socks. They looked great with those little black flats, everything. These, I think I'm gonna get a bigger size than these. These are small, but you can tell in like my hip area, they look a little snug, and I just want a bit more of a relaxed feel. But these are the navy trousers, linen pants. I have these in the striped version, I have them in white, and I wanted them in navy because navy is like my summer black. I also have them in black. But yes, I need both. Navy's softer, okay? And I love these so much. They're perfection, especially if you don't want to wear jeans in the summer. These are really nice. So I'm just gonna get these in a size medium because I feel like I want a little more room in the hips, and it is linen, so they do kind of shrink a little bit. So if when in doubt, size up. So that might just be the fit of these because my white ones and my striped ones are in a small and they feel fine. So I don't know if these just are a little bit snug. I don't know, but I'm gonna size up in them. The next was this shirt. I'm very into graphic tees. I've always been a graphic tee girl, but I feel like gone are the days of like the band graphic tees, and here are more of like the fruit graphic tees, if that makes sense. We saw a lot of band tees over the last like probably 5 years or so. And I feel like we're phasing that out and going into this like fruity sort of vibe, and I'm here for it. So I loved this. I saw this. I love H&M's little graphic things. I just feel like they do it really well. It's very clean, and I like it. And I feel like not everybody and their mama has it, but maybe I'm wrong because they do always sell that. But I like that this is like screen tee, but it also has some embroidery in different places on it, which I think make it look really cute. This looks great with anything. It's a bright white shirt, and you can always accessorize. I feel like it looks good with navy, but it's got the yellow lemons. I love this, and I got this in a size medium, so it'd be a bit oversized because I don't like my graphic tees to be super tight. And then I went crazy with linen button-ups. These are the last things, and then we'll wind down this haul. I told you it's not too big. I left my white linen shirt and shorts when I was in Mexico. I left them in the hotel room, like on the way to bed. Epic fail. But to send it back was gonna be $98. I said, keep that, sir, donate it, give it to somebody who can wear it, because those clothes weren't even worth that much, okay? So I wasn't gonna pay to ship it back, but I found this. This is different than my last one, and it's cheaper than my last one. And I like this one better. I love these sort of shell buttons. This is such a nice touch, and it's 100% linen. And this is like 20 bucks or something like that. It's crazy. I love these. They're perfection. They go with everything. I like how they look wrinkled. They give a very carefree look without being like, I don't know. Linen looks okay wrinkled. Hear me out, it just does, okay? But I love this, whites. I get mine all in a medium, some in a small, but mostly medium. I got this yellow one as well. This is more of like a mustardy yellow, like a Dijon mustard yellow. It's kind of got a darker tinge to it, but honestly, I like that more than just like the bright yellow. At first I didn't think I would, but let's be real, I'm probably gonna wash this with my colors. It's gonna look like this anyway, so I like this one. Again, this is the same style as the last one with the shell buttons. Looks great with shorts, white jeans, looks great with, I did black accessories with a pair of jeans that I just got from H&M a while ago in my last haul. Not a while ago, but in my last haul, and I did black belts, this, and black shoes, and I just thought it was a really cool way to like do a contrast of a darker color with this, because normally I would do brown. Couldn't find my brown belt, and I was like, let's just do black. I liked it. But yeah, much needed, a good yellow linen button up. I have a striped one from Zara that's more of a brighter buttery yellow, where this is more of a, like I said, a Dijon mustard yellow, a honey mustard, if you will. Last but not least, I got this one. This is the one that my previous white shirt was from, and it's weird because this one's more expensive. Still 100% linen, just like the other one. Buttons are not as nice, like, it's just bizarre to me. Like, look at these. I love this one so much more than just the clearish white one. But this one is more expensive by like $10 more, but they didn't have a light blue in this linen in the other style, so I just got this one. I think this one was like $39 and that's like $27 or something like that. But I love light blue linen shirts, love light blue in general, love linen shirts. So grabbed this again in a size medium. And yeah, I think this is perfect. Can be worn again with those navy linen pants, can be worn with jeans, shorts, anything. It's epic. And epic. I don't know about epic, but it's great. I love linen, and if you feel like you want linen but think linen is stupid expensive, it can be, but H&M makes really good linen pieces. And another place to get linen, I just ordered a couple things off of there and I'll be doing a haul soon, is Quince, or Quince, I think it's just Quince, okay? The Quince, or One Quince, or something like that, One Quince, I'm not sure. But I love them. I just ordered some linen dresses from them, so I'm like super excited to try those out. But they also have a butter, like a more brighter lemon, like a brighter yellow, like a lemon, button-up shirt that's made out of linen on their website as well. So check them out. But H&M has been a go-to for me to find linen. So that haul was like gold. Everything is good. The only thing I'm gonna take or exchange is the linen pants. I'm just gonna get them in a medium, but I'm keeping everything, and I might also grab another pair of those denim shorts and just cut the hem out because they are so good, mind-blowing perfection. So I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun and helpful, or fun, I don't know about helpful, but I like to style the pieces to really see if they're gonna work, and this haul was just a hit. Everything is so good right now. So check out H&M, I'll have all the details in the description box down below for the specific items that I mentioned. I'll see you in my next video real soon. Bye! And yes, I know I talk really fast when I'm excited, and that's how you know I'm really excited and things are good, is because I talk like blah, 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 like that. So maybe you wanna like slow it down instead of speed it up. Bye.